spreads her legs.
Jumped on her head. Poor Nevaeh. Doing that.
Oh, she just bit him right in the forehead. She looks so mean.
Like you girls just sit around and wait for these boys?
Yeah. That's the Easter egg. She Dakota and I'm dating Logan. Shut up.
I wouldn't date them. They're cute and all, but, you know, they'd make you wait.
Stay in the grass, you two.
Did you see them on the ground? What? Mama, Logan's what?
Hey, look at these girls are waiting for you boys.
It was like that big, that
Why are you trying to fence this
It
way?
killed it.
What fence?
Vea, don't bite his ear.
She's not going anywhere. She's eating the little dog.
She's just biting his ear. She's chewing on his ear.
Oh, no, she's little. She's pretty
Oh, Mom, get the head out where the dog is. He's trying
My face looks fudged up at that other.
Why don't you get a better part actually?
I don't know. Just being. I'm tired there,
What are you doing after this?
We're going to do
You're gonna what?
nothing.
Holy Nevaeh, you look all mean when you have your teeth showing like that.
It's up to go at 3.
Ow.
Make it to where we can still get our loads.
We're jumping the fence.
You're gonna expect all these girls to jump the fence with you?
Yep.
What
I
fence?
jumped it.
That's why I was saying jumping the fence. Well, I know that. Exactly. Jump fence. Let's go, you